Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something very important. If you want to speak English fluently, stop translating. Yes, no translation. Let me explain. Most English learners think in their own language first, then they translate into English. This is the biggest problem. When you translate, you speak slowly. You feel nervous. You forget words. And you lose confidence. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think in English. Now let me ask you something. When you speak your own language, do you translate? No, you just speak. English should be the same. Let's start with a simple example. If you are hungry, do not think I am hungry in your own language first. Just think I am hungry. Very simple. Start with simple sentences. I am tired. I am happy. I am busy. I need help. I don't understand. Repeat these sentences every day. Do not translate them. Just feel them. Now let's talk about daily life. When you wake up, say, I'm waking up. When you drink water, say, I'm drinking water. When you cook, say, I'm cooking. Talk to yourself in English. This is very powerful. You don't need a partner. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need practice. Another important point, do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning. Fluency comes from use, not from rules. Grammar is important, yes, but fluency comes first. Children do not learn grammar first. They speak fast. You should do the same. Listen to simple English every day. Short videos, real conversations, slow English. Listen more. Think less. Your brain will learn naturally. One more thing. Be patient. Fluency does not come in 1 week or 1 month. But if you practice every day, you will see progress. Small progress is still progress. So remember this. Think in English, speak in English, no translation. If you found this helpful, keep practicing with me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.